Have you ever wondered what the rarest plants in the world are? From the towering Candelabra tree to the elusive ghost orchid, the world is filled with botanical wonders that are as rare as they are beautiful. But what makes a plant rare? It's a combination of scarcity, uniqueness, and often vulnerability to environmental changes. These rare species are crucial threads in the intricate tapestry of our ecosystem, each with a unique role to play. Join us as we count down the top 10 most rare plants in the world. Starting our countdown at number 10 is the Candelabra tree. This majestic specimen, native to the arid landscapes of Africa, is a true marvel of nature. With its distinctive, candelabra-like shape and towering height of up to 25 feet tall at maturity, it stands as a testament to nature's creativity. Its sap, while toxic to humans, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. This tree is a sight to behold, but it's just the start of our journey. Coming in at number 9, meet the mysterious ghost orchid. This elusive phantom of the flora realm is as captivating as it is hard to find. It's a silent specter, hiding away in the thick swamps of Florida and Cuba. It has no leaves, living off a host tree and air, a true ghost indeed. Its ethereal white flowers appear to float in the air, hence the name. But spotting one is a rare treat, as it blooms unpredictably and only at night. The ghost orchid, a true phantom of the plant world. At number 8, we encounter the corpse flower. This plant, a Titan arum, is one of the most unique flora on the planet. Its name comes from its peculiar characteristic, a smell akin to rotting flesh. This odor, while repulsive to us, is a siren call to carrion insects who aid in its pollination. Corpse flowers are incredibly rare, blooming once every several years and only for a brief window. The corpse flower, a plant that's as fascinating as it is rare. At lucky number 7, we find the quiver tree. This magnificent plant, native to southern Africa, has a unique tall stature with a crown of spiky branches that stretch towards the sky. The quiver tree gets its name from the Sand People's use of its hollowed branches as quivers for their arrows. Its rarity lies in its sensitivity to climate change, making it a vulnerable species. The quiver tree, a vital part of its ecosystem and a sight to behold. Halfway through our countdown at number 6, we have the Kadupul flower, known as the Queen of the Night. This Sri Lankan beauty is the embodiment of fleeting splendor. Blooming rarely and only at night, its blossoms wilt before dawn, making it an ephemeral spectacle. Its rarity is not only due to its unusual blooming pattern, but also because it cannot be bought. Its value is in its transient existence. The Kadupul flower, a fleeting beauty in the plant world. Breaking into the top 5, we find the Western underground orchid. This clandestine beauty, native to Australia, lives almost entirely beneath the surface. Unlike its photosynthesizing kin, it derives energy from a symbiotic relationship with underground fungi. The scarcity of this fungi, combined with habitat loss, makes this orchid a rarity. Its elusive lifestyle, hidden from human eyes, adds to its allure. The Western underground orchid, a hidden gem in the world of plants. Coming in at number 4, we have the Rothchild slipper orchid. This stunning plant bears an extraordinary resemblance to a ballet slipper, hence its name. Found only in the rainforests of Borneo, it's as elusive as it is beautiful. The Rothchild slipper orchid is considered one of the most expensive plants in the world, due to its scarcity and the challenging conditions required for its cultivation. It's a botanical treasure, a true rarity in the world of flora. The Rothchild slipper orchid, a rare jewel of the orchid family. At number 3, we find the carnivorous Attenborough's pitcher plant. Named after the famed naturalist Sir David Attenborough, this plant has a taste for insects. Its large, pitcher-shaped leaves serve as a deadly trap, luring insects in with a sweet scent, only to drown them in a pool of digestive enzymes. Found only in the highlands of the Philippines, its rarity is due to its specific habitat requirements and the threat of habitat loss. The Attenborough's pitcher plant, a deadly rarity in the plant kingdom. Just missing the top spot at number 2, we have the suicide palm. Also known as Tahina spectabilis, this plant is a true spectacle of nature. Found only in the limestone hills of Madagascar, it's a giant among palms, reaching heights of over 60 feet. But what makes it truly unique is its life cycle. After flowering just once in its lifetime, it dies, giving it its dramatic name. The suicide palm, a plant that lives up to its dramatic name. And finally, the rarest plant in the world. At number 1, we have the Encephalartos woody. This plant is a living fossil dating back to the time of the dinosaurs. Hailing from South Africa, it is a cycad, a group of seed plants whose lineage stretches back over 280 million years. The Encephalartos woodii is now extinct in the wild, existing only in cultivation. This plant is the ultimate symbol of survival and rarity. The Encephalartos woodii, a plant that stands alone in its rarity. And there you have it, the top 10 rarest plants in the world. From the unique Candelabra tree to the elusive ghost orchid, the pungent corpse flower to the resilient quiver tree. We ventured into the night for the Kadupul Flower, dug deep for the western underground orchid, marveled at the Rothchild slipper orchid, admired Attenborough's pitcher plant, pondered on the suicide palm, and crowned the Encephalartos woodii as the rarest. Remember, our world is full of wonders, and these rare plants are just a few of them. Until next time, keep exploring.